guys, welcome back. So in this video I am going to put together the chest to drawer for my children's room. This is what it looks like. It's the chest to drawer is from Wayfair. It's a part of the Cosmoliving by Cosmopolitan. It actually goes with the you should have seen the Chester, not the Chester, the side table that I put together. So this is the matching piece, which is the chest to drawer. I swear this is like gonna be the last thing I put together. No, wait, that's a lie. I got one more furniture to put together, but that's it. I am so done. I'm so done with putting furniture together. I don't know, I don't think I have the patience anymore. So let's start putting this together. You're queasy.
You're queasy. How about it?
So, step one. So these are the steps. I don't think you guys can see. So the first thing they say to do is to put, well, first you gotta identify your screws. Make sure you know which screws. So now they say to put together the bottom piece, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do, basically build from the bottom up. So that shouldn't be so bad. So guys, I'm going to put together the chest to drawer from the bottom up. So I'm gonna start at the base, insert the legs, and then I'm gonna do the panels, the top, and then assemble the drawer. I'm not gonna do step-by-step assembly. If you just watch the video, you'll see how I assemble it. And then in the end, if you watch till the end or you skip till the end, I'll give you my full review of the chest to drawer and my recommendation of what I think about it. So I hope this video is helpful, and go ahead and watch how I put it together pretty much. As you guys can see, the chest to drawer is all put together. As you can tell from before that I was having issues inserting the drawer. Now I noticed that there is some alignment issues with the drawer. I don't know if it's the sliding brackets that are inside, but the drawers are a little bit hard to insert. So my recommendation is, if that's not, you know, too much of a hassle for you, I would say go for it, purchase it. But I don't know if that's an issue, and if you have kids that break things, then of course, you know, don't purchase it. So here I'm going to hang a brass mirror above on that wall right there, and then I'm going to decorate there the top of the drawer a little bit. But thank you guys for watching. That's it. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.